Are you still trying to fix your shots without moving? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. So move your feet, not your subject. Here's the shift. You don't need to control everything in front of you. You just need to control where you stand. Take 1 step left, 1 step right. Lower your camera, raise it up, move closer, take a step back and watch what happens. That distracting lamppost disappears. The bright patch vanishes. The background cleans itself up. And this is why I go on about it so much. So many composition problems are solved with small physical movements, not digging through menus or changing settings. I've seen photos completely transformed by moving just a few feet. Same subject, same light, completely different result. And here's the big one. Zooming is not the same as moving. Zoom changes framing. Moving changes the relationship between your subject and the background. And that relationship is everything. If you want better photos, stop planting your feet and start using them. Check out episode 6 of the Ultimate Checklist series here, where we break this down even further. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.